see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
You like it sassy, I Good morning guys, buksan natin itong kortina. Good morning! 6:30 pa lang ng umaga. Ito ang first day morning namin dito sa Bali. Buksan natin itong aming pa-garden dyan. Si Jan at si Zach. Ano to? Oh, nakalak pa pala dito. May lock pa pala dito. Si Jan siya kasi Zach lumabas. Ayan. Oh. Ang nice ng ng weather. Hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit. And ayan, nakasampay yung mga pinanligo nila kahapon. So ayan. Ang neighbor namin, ayan guys. Oh. Ayan ang pag-garden. Tapos meron dito mga bougainvillea ba yan? Ayan, yung para sa atin, bougainvillea. Si TJ tsaka si Holly tulog pa. Ayan, so, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan si Holly. Tulog na tulog pa. Ang baby girl natin tulog pa. Si Kuya, ayan, tulog na tulog pa. Pagod na pagod niyang kakatakbo sa beach kahapon. May kumakatok. Good morning, Zachary and Daddy. Water cold? It's nice. It's not cold. It's not hot. Yeah, sabi niya, hindi raw katulad sa Philippines na oo, kasi sa Philippines, di pag gising natin, yung maramdaman mo na agad yung init. Dito hindi. Kasi sa Philippines, pag kahit nakaupo ka lang, makikita mong pawis na pawis ka, na wala ka namang ginagawa. Dito, wala. Kahit naglakad kami kahapon, hindi kami pinagpapawisan. Kasi niya, so ayun si Zach, which one is the hottest? The Philippines, because in the Philippines you sweat, right? Yes. And then and in Bali Garden it's not really. Magbe-breakfast kami, pero bago kayo mag-breakfast, inumin ko muna yung iniinom ko every morning bago ako kumain, yung apple cider vinegar with lemon and chia seed and honey. Kaso nakalimutan ko bumili kahapon ng ng lemon tapos chia seed. So ngayon inumin ko lang is apple cider vinegar and with honey. Wala kasi akong lemon tsaka chia seed. So gawa muna tayo nun. Thank you. Yeah,
what do you have for breakfast, Zach?
Egg, rice, sausage, and it's nice here, babe.
Yeah, it's not hot now. Like I said, Joe, if we were Philippines walking down these aisles, mate,
like you can
you'd be like...
No, be careful, you can come here there.
So it's not even...
You can sit here.
Just sit down.
Look at that, Sako!
What is it?
Squirrel! There's another
Up here,
squirrel.
Jack.
No, that one. See?
They play Max tonight?
Who?
Max.
There?
Tonight.
Tonight.
What?
Are we gonna see them tonight? Or the next day?
Oh, right.
May darating din kasi na kakilala namin. Darating sila mamayang gabi.
What?
So, ito yung dinala ko. Yung apple cider vinegar with honey and ginger. Ayan. And ito yung maple syrup. Good morning, guys! Say good morning! Good morning! Hi! Nagising na si Holly. And Kuya Nina. Hi, Kuya!
That's funny.
So, ito na yung aking inumin pag first day in the morning. So, wala lang siyang wala lang siyang lemon tsaka chia seed. So, ayan siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo bukas bukas pag nakabili kayo mamayang lemon. Yeah, we're gonna swim, Kuya, every day.
Yeah, every one.
Hi, baby.
Every time they
Andito na si Holly. Say hi, Holly.
Say hi, guys.
Say hi, guys. Baba. Say morning. Oh, nagyuyon pa siya. Good girl. Say hi, guys. Good girl, Baba. Kuya, morning. Say good morning, Kuya. Good morning. Mag-breakfast na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pagkain nila for breakfast. And kung gusto mong bacon at magpaluto ng scrambled eggs, ayan, siya magluluto, si ate. So, scrambled eggs. Ito yung akin. Tapos meron dito rin sila sa labas. Kung gusto mo sa labas mag-breakfast. Dito sa labas. Ayan na si John. And TJ and Kylie. So, marami din na pagpipilian for breakfast dito. So, etong first breakfast namin dito. Ayan na si Jan. Did you ask for omelette as well? What are you having, Zach? You don't like rice? You want rice? Okay. What are you... You want the normal rice? Ayaw nyo yung fried rice. Yung fried rice. Okay. And Holly is having pancake. And rice, pancit, and watermelon kanina. Fruits for Holly. Tapos na siya mag-rice and noodles. Here, Baba, what you gonna say? What you gonna say? Huh? Thank you. What you gonna say? Thank you po. Tapos ito yung akin, fried rice, noodles, and chili, and bacon, egg, and omelette. Ito kay Kuya TJ to. Kain. You want egg? It's really hot. Oh, see? It's not cool. This one is not cool. Not cool. No. So, ito yung medium na pagkaluto ng boiled egg. May sabaw-sabaw. Yeah, wait, babe. It's really hot. Kuya, give me a little bit. It's alright. You're gonna get it all in. Careful, on the table now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, yeah.
No, my sauce.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, and your sausage. This one, just this one. Thank you.
Thank you. Holly, be careful with your spoon. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Masarap naman yung food nila. Yung pansit, yung parang bihon. Katulad lang din sa atin yung ano. ang lasa. Dito ako ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa lobby kasi nagpapapalit ng pera yung kasama namin. Nandun sila. Ayan si Holly. Hi, Holly! Baba! Magpapa-braid daw si Holly, sabi ni Jan. Titry namin kung magustuhan niya. Okay, ayun na. Naglalakad kami papunta sa beach. Ayan si Jan, si Holly. Bossy si Holly, guys. Ayan yung boys, ayun. Ito ang daan ng papunta sa beach. Ayun yung pool, linilinis nila. And may nagwawali si Kuya. May ingay yung ano. So, eto yung another swimming pool doon, no? Yung infinity nila. Tapos dyan. Ha? Ito yung restaurant nila. And ayan. Ayan yung beach. Hello. Good morning. Ayan. Doon. Hindi pa kayo nakapunta doon. Ayan yung swimming pool. May gazebo doon. Oh. So mamaya, dito ulit tayo maglalakad sa linakaran namin kahapon. Wala pa yung mga nagtitinda. Yung nakita nyo kahapon. Wala pa sila. Oh. Nagsiset up pa lang. Ayan, yung mga tinda ulit. Pa yung mga motor kahapon, di ba? Ang dami dyan. So, ayan. Wow! Magsusurf na si Joe, yung papa ni Sophie. Are you gonna surf, Joe? Wait, what he's wearing is not cool? Why? Where are we gonna get that from?
Up here, Mandy.
Oh, yeah!
It's not his fault.
Kasi yung mga motor dito, guys, wala silang pakialam. Bara-bara sila mag-drive. Si Kuya laging yung parang nako-corner siya kahit nasa gilid na siya, kahit nandito na siya, yung motor pupunta pa dyan. Oh, ayan. Hey, Kuya. Say good morning again.
Good morning.
Say hi, hi. Hi. Pangalawa na siyang nag-hi, kahapon din. Dog! Dog, may asong gala. Maalon siya ngayon, oh. And then, marami ditong mga naka-set up na mga surfing board. Kung di silang i-rent and then iti-train din kayo kung paano mag-surf. Yung friend nila dyan, dito naka-stay dyan sa hotel na yan. May infinity pool sila facing the beach. Ayan. Tapos eto siniset up lang nila ito. Kagabi, ang dilim dito. So ngayon, naka-set up ulit sila. Ayan, naka-set up na sila para mamaya inom-inom ulit. Ngayon, maganda rin siya kasi mahaba yung swimming pool nila. Tapos nakatapat din sa pool. Ay, sa beach. Ayan na yung mga bata naglalaro ng sand. Mga softboard ulit. Hi, Holly! What are you doing, Baba? Merong nag-race, so swimming race. Parang Ironman. Ironman ba tawag doon? What time is it? Excuse me. What time? 10? Thank you. Oh, look at that wave, hon. It's nice. May mga nagsusurf na, oh. It's high tide today?
Yeah.
High tide. Kahapon, low tide. Ayun yung mga nagsiswimming, oh. Hi.
Take shoes off. Take shoes off.
Go, Daddy. Go to Daddy. Take your shoes off. Ow!
Another one. Another one.
Other one, Baba.
Look at that big boat, John.
There you go.
Go, Baba.
Shit.
Yeah, I think they say that.
TJ, careful.
Oh, there's a bucket.
Ang ganda magtambay dito guys, oh. May mga mga Balinesian ba ang tawag sa mga sa kanila. Ayan na kami guys. Nasa under the coconut tree. Relax, relax lang.
A board for him, but he wouldn't come out.
Why you didn't, honey?
Well, show him up, though.
Whatever.
He's like a stone and died by the crowbar, that's why.
Baba, come here.
Back here, Soap.
Holly, careful, Baba. Careful. Enjoy na enjoy si Holly. Maglakad daw walang sapatos, oh. Go, Baba, go!
What would you like?
Maraming magsusurf, oh.
Make it look more real.
Sabi, once a week lang daw nagkakaroon ng ganitong wave dito. Ganyan. So, kaya yung mga tao, nagsusurf na. Ang dami pa dun sa dulo. Si Kuya, ayan. Tinatabunan niya yung paa niya. Joe, magsusurf na siya. Daddy ni Sophie. Ayun, yung kaibigan nila yan, si Jack. Nakapunta rin yan ng Australia. Good luck, Joe! Binibiro niya si Joe. Ayan. Diyan lang sila. Ayan si Holly. There. Ayan si Joe. Yan ang daddy ni Sophie. Gandang replica ng Rip Curl. Sabi niya 100. How much?
No, 40.
Tinatawaran na naman niya.
No, 40 for Mandy. We'll just get
Ang galing niyang magtawad.
So if don't, yeah, we buy from Mandy. No, I got number 15 instead of.
Tubig daw. Tingnan mo.
Yeah, I don't believe you. Just show my hand. If not,
Say 50.
yeah, 50.
How much?
Like that.
How much is Kylie? How much? 50?
Yeah, just
50,000?
50, yeah, maximum.
Only
So
here?
that and this and
don't pay 50 for this.
Oh no, he said
Lay down.
I need to lay down for 50 for my whole
My
body.
goodness.
Hindi ko rin kasi alam kung
Are you
ano.
very hard bargain?
You're very hard bargain.
Yeah, 50 for lie down.
Yeah. 50 for lay down for all this, not legs.
Oh,
Not-
yes,
not
all
bum.
right, okay, yes, yes.
Yeah,
I think
50,
the whole
50
body.
for all this.
Ah, okay,
All
okay.
right.
How I'm gonna lay down?
Yes, I got sorrow.
I got Sarah ka. Magpamassage tayo. Hindi the whole body, yung likod lang.
You want now? Here, here.
Ah, here.
Let me say the fence. Let me say the fence.
Oh, Papa.
Wait, I said I so I can lay with my daughter, otherwise she'll run them up. You do, Sophie.
Right there, just come around. Yeah. Oh, yeah. could have another drink of that Coke or if you drank it all.
Ang sarap. Hinihintay nila.
Yeah, when Charlie's finished.
Tapos na si Joe mag-surf. Magsiswimming na kami. Sila after ko magpa-massage. Nice si Holly. So we have to pay now, Han. 100,000 rupiah.
Was it nice?
Very nice. Can I have my phone, please? Thank you. 100,000, Han. Is this 100,000? Ito yung 100,000, guys.
We're much rich.
Mayaman tayo, 100,000. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, 100,000.
Thank you. Nakikipaglaro si Holly doon sa nag-massage sa akin. Oh. You wanna massage, Holly? Massage, Baba? Siya massage? Ayun, balik na kami sa sa hotel namin kasi gusto na mag-swimming ng mga bata. Iniwan namin si Kylie kasi magpapa-braid si si Sophie. So ayan, mauna na kami. Amoy akong mabango siya, yung parang ang amoy niya, yung parang bulaklak sa atin na linalagay sa santo. Ganun ang amoy niya. Ngayon mataon na. Ay, hindi pa ganun, pero at least mas mataon na kaysa kanina. Ayan. Maraming nagsusort. Tapos yung mga tindahan sa mga dyan sa gilid-gilid, nagsiset up na sila, marami na sila. Sana nandiyan na yung yung mais, yung inasal na mais. Holly, sit down, Baba. Kasi masarap yung corn niya. Ayun yung dalawa. Si Sak, inalis niya na yung kanyang damit kasi naiinitan daw siya. Hindi naman masyal. Han, it's not that hot, no? Kasi hindi mainit. Tama lang, hindi ka pagpapawisan. Presko lang. Dito na kayo sa kwarto, may naglinis ng room namin. Oh. What's that, Zaggy boy? Your bed is nice. Ay, malinis. Nice and clean daw, sabi ni Sako. Palitan ko lang yung mga bata kasi magsiswimming sila. Holly, come on! Let me see. Binili niya pa rin. How much? $5. And then, it's nice.
Yeah, I know, but
yeah, magsishrink yan pag linabhan. Yeah, looks nice. $5, guys. Nagsiswimming na sila. Oh. Ayan si Holly. Nagpo-float na si Holly. Holly! Tama ba? Are you done?
You want me to do it again?
Okay.
I want to do it again.
Okay. Okay, watch out, guys. Daw, Kuya Zach, excuse me. Tingnan si Zach, oh. May bago siyang trick sa pagsisim niya. Welcome, Zach. Okay, Kuya, go. Kuya. Zach, do the other one. Kuya, how about you? Can you do that? Jan. Sila. How about you, Kuya? Well done. 12:30. Okay.
Do you want to have a look, menu?
How about pa? Are you enjoying with Kobe? Horsey. Nag-order ako ng watermelon juice and then si Jan mango juice. Yeah, we got here. Nothing. What is your Indonesian food like best?
Best Indonesian food?
Yeah.
We have.
Because I already tried this one, mee goreng and nasi goreng. Do you have any Indian?
We have pork belly. The pork belly with the sweet soya sauce. No?
What other like seafoods or
Seafood we don't have seafood on Indonesian. We have ayam masak manis, that's sweet sour chicken.
okay? What
Then
else?
mix the capsicum, pineapple, like tomato sauce.
Is it hot, spicy? What?
Sweet and sour.
What else?
Else we have chicken like the chicken curry. Chicken curry or the prawn curry.
prawn curry?
Prawn curry.
Yeah, the prawn curry.
Okay.
Fresh prawn.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try that one.
Prawn
It is.
curry.
And can you serve
Are we
me
going to
with?
wait half an hour?
Yeah, half
Yes,
an
yes.
hour. Yeah.
I'll bring.
And half an. Yeah. You order now.
12:30.
Yeah, about 12:30 because the kids will be ready to eat, so
Yes.
we'll order food.
And bring me homemade Indonesian chili. What do you call that?
Sambal.
Sambal. Yes,
Sambal,
please.
yeah.
Nag-order ako ng sambal kasi nagustuhan ko yung sambal doon sa kinainan namin last night. Yeah. Wow! Is it yummy? Is it mango? You're shaking, Baba.
Look at this one, Baba. Look,
Is it good?
what's that one?
How about this? Try this one. This is mommy. Say watermelon. Yeah. Okay, don't squeeze. Oh, no. There's straw. The straw. Drink with a straw. No. Drink it. Drink. Is it good? That's not us. That's Joe. Yeah. Slowly. Magandang view si Jan, no? Nakalabas daw sa TV. Tinignan ko siya, sabi niya, eh, nandiyan sa harapan ko, anong gagawin ko? Ang ganda ng katawan niya. In fairness, nandiyan siya dyan. You want drink, Baba? Si Holly, oh. Have a drink, Holly. How was your watermelon, Holly? Nanginginig na siya sa lamig. How was the live?
Oh, good view here, this chair.
Hi, Kylie. This is the sexy. This is the sexy. Good view before, Bob, and
Yeah, I
you.
wasn't looking.
What?
I was right in front of you, though. Long ago.
Hi. Wipe your face. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. Ooh. We're having lunch soon. We're having pizza. Go with Daddy, Baba. Ayan na yung pizza niya.
Thanks, mate.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Is it, what kind of pizza is
That's
that?
pepperoni and cheese.
Pepperoni.
That's T-bone.
Curry and this is coming now.
Coming now. Good. Thank you.
Now this will be beautiful pizza, boys.
Yung si Sar. Holly, here, Holly, where you? Holly, here's your food. Nandun na si Holly sa kabilang table, oh. Kabilang. Here, Baba. Here, Baba, oh. Can eat.
Just gonna eat it. Go this side. Go around.
Go around, Baba. Go around. Around. Good girl.
Like that.
Yum. Everything is yum.
Yeah, good feel.
Is it? Masarap daw yung chip.
Here.
Yeah. Masarap nga. It's different taste than what we have in Australia, huh?
That's working.
I'm gonna eat the whole lot of that pizza.
Good. If you want more, tell us, okay? I'm having rice now.
We have more. We just got 12 minutes.
Yeah, that's good.
Good, huh? Try natin pizza nila. Pepperoni pizza.
I've put anything you've got yet. Don't shit.
It's pepperoni and cheese.
Yum. Sarap.
Holly.
Very thin. Yung craft.
That's nice, isn't it, boys?
No, not eat all that.
That's yours now. That's yours.
Crunchy.
Right?
Yeah, because I forgot
Here's a
coming.
drink here when you want one.
You bite it. Look at your mind, Glenn. No, this is all that for Holly.
Calm down.
Ah.
In the wagner.
What?
Spicy.
It's spicy?
Ears.
Your ears? What's wrong with your ears? What's wrong with your ears? Water? Let me see. Ayan na yung pagkain namin. Hi guys.
Oh yeah, that'd
Steak
be nice. Thank you very much.
sandwich
Yeah, cheers.
for Johnny Boy.
Curry.
Carrie?
as well?
Yes, please. Yeah, take it.
And
Yes.
this is the spoon, yeah?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So I'm having, this is mommy. Curry prawns. Ayan.
Mom was on top.
Garlic. And then crispy garlic on top with
What's this?
white
What's this?
rice.
What's this?
That's spicy, kuya. Try with your pizza. Just a little bit. That's very spicy.
I'll just wait for that.
You like it? That's spicy, kuya. That's spicy, sak. Sino mo, nagsasawsaw sila dun sa pinaka-spicy na tikmang kong ano, chili. Oh, yeah. Good, kuya?
My eyes are very red, so I don't do that anymore in the bowl.
Here, Mrs. Holly.
Holly, careful, Baba.
Careful, Baba. Here, have this one. What, rice? With what?
No spicy.
This one? No? How about this one?
No.
Curry?
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'll try. Don't go with this, sorry. Sambal yata to. What sauce is this again? Sambal? Sambal sauce. Ayan, napaka-spicy niya. Na masarap na. Pwede mong iulam. Kuya, oh my God, Oliver. Wala, where's mommy's food? Wala na yung food ni mommy. This side, Baba, here. Come here. Wala na, guys. Akin yan. Sila nang kumain. Come on, Holly. Here.
Rice and chips.
Nag-order ulit ako ng isang rice kasi yung mga bata kinain nila yung rice. Holly, come here, Papa.
Oh, she's gonna lick it.
Gustong-gusto niya yung tomato sauce. Oh. Okay, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Say, oh. Upo ikaw dito. Upo ikaw dito, Mama. Upo ikaw next to Mama. Upo. Oh, hi, guys. No, you stay there. Stay that one. Ayun na siya. Kinuha niya. Nandun na siya sa ano. Sa lapag kumain. Ang sarap ng curry prawns nila. Tapos itong sambal. Don't.
Mickey, Mom, Mickey.
That's not Mickey.
Yeah.
Ang binibiro niya yung mag-asawa kasi andun sila sweet na sweet ako sabi ni Jan. Takpan niya ng towel tapos bilisan lang siya. Sira ulo rin to kasawa ko eh. Come on, let's sleep. Nag-order ako ng ano, papaya juice. Yeah, papaya juice. Tapos na kami kumain. Yung mga bata nandun naman sila sa pool kids area. Huh? Daddy. Ha? Okay, are you monkey? Here's our drink, Baba. Is that ours?
Papaya juice.
Papaya juice. Thank you. Papaya juice. Cheers, guys. No, this is mommy. Let's have a drink.
Drink, Baba.
Okay, mix. Want some? Daddy wants some.
Let go.
What? You got popo?
Yes.
Let me see. Nah. You're right. Isa parang kubo-kubo. Ayan, oh. Tapos yung parang ganyan. Ah, hindi pala. Iba naman yung dun sa kabila. May swimming pool din dun, oh. Then, ito yung pinakamalaking pool nila. Swimming siya ulit, oh.
Yeah, push.
2 hands. Good girl. Oh. Kuya teacher. Hapon na guys, alauna na. So tapos na mag-swimming yung mga bata. Nakapag-change si Kuya, laging sinusuot niya yung singlet kasi mainit. Ayan na yung mga ano yung kahapon, yung mga tindahan. Tapos ito na yung mga motor guys na wala kaninang umaga. Ayan na siya. Ayan na sila. Ayan.
There's Joe.
Oh, he's getting something there. Ayaw nila ng t-shirt
Have a
kasi
look
na.
at the beach now. Look at that.
It's calm now.
But it's alright from now.
Yeah, kanina malakas yung wave kaya maraming nag-surf. Ngayon ano na siya, oh. Kalmado na yung ano,
They put
dagat.
that t-shirt on there.
Yeah, tulog na.
Them kids.
Pagod na pagod siya kaka-swimming.
Where?
Walang tsinelas. Nandun yung ano niya, shoes niya. Hapon, wala tong tent. Ano kayang meron dito ngayon? Tao guys, so kanina wala, di ba? Yung kaninang umaga pag punta namin dito. What's that, kuya? Big party? Sabi ni kuya, parang may big party raw dito.
Did you get a happy ending?
No, just put it there.
Get it back in the hat. Oh, it's funny hats up here.
50,000? They said 80.
Akong binili nito sa sa Australia, $45 yung bili ko nito. Dito ang mura lang, oh. Iniwan ko na kasi sabi ng pinsan ko, marami raw dito. So what's the use na daling ko pa yun? Ano lang yun? Dagdag lang yun sa bagahe ko. Pero gusto kong bumili ng brown. Mayroon akong puti. So ayan. Change ng plan. Hindi na muna kayo pupunta dun sa may beachfront. Mag-shopping muna raw ng konti. Hindi ng hot para sa mga bata. That's a big. Tingnan nyo ang skinita dito guys. So, gaganito ka guys. Padaanin natin siya. Ayan. Ganyan kakitid yung daanan nila. Oh. Si Holly andun. Kailangan namin mag-stop para hindi kayo masagin guys. Okay, go! I am mad. Tingnan siya. Nila, yung mga makakainan.
John.
Champo Bali, something like